Are you experiencing an unexpected error while copying files to the OneDrive directory? Then you are at the right place, as here is how to fix the issue. Let's get started. This is the Windows Club. When intentionally copying files to the OneDrive directory, you may see a message an unexpected error is copying you from copying the file. There are various error codes related to this error, such as error code 0x80070570, 0x80004005, 0x80071129, 0x80071771, 0x80070057, 0x80070780, and 0x80070168. The main cause of this error is interference with the Microsoft account registration, which is causing this block. In most cases, the same Microsoft account is registered twice for OneDrive on the same computer. In this video, we will show you how to troubleshoot this error. Let's get started. Method 1. Uninstall OneDrive. There are two ways by which one can uninstall OneDrive on Windows. If you are using Windows command prompt, follow these methods. Run command prompt with administrative rights. Execute this command depending upon the architecture of OneDrive installed on your computer. Get the latest version of OneDrive from the official server and run the executable file. Go through the setup of OneDrive and the error you are facing must be fixed now. In case you are using Windows PowerShell, follow this. Run Windows PowerShell with admin privileges. Navigate to the parent directory for OneDrive inside the command line. Execute this command. Get the latest version of OneDrive from the official server and run the executable file. Go through the setup of OneDrive and the error you are facing must be fixed now. Method 2. Unlink your Microsoft account from OneDrive. You have to unlink and then reset up your account. Here is how to do that. Select the OneDrive icon to launch the Activity Center. Select More and then select Settings. Click on Unlink this PC. You will get the Welcome to OneDrive wizard. Follow the on-screen instructions to proceed. Method 3. Other fixes. OneDrive's sync capabilities are tightly integrated into the Windows operating system. Anything created or moved to a sync-enabled location automatically transfers across devices linked to that Microsoft account. But if you encounter the error, you can reset OneDrive on Windows. Here is how to do that. Press Windows + R to launch the Run utility. Then enter this command in the Run command box and then hit Enter. Check if that fixes your issues. You can also follow our guide to fix duplicate OneDrive folders in Explorer on Windows. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.